Hello everyone, welcome back to Old Country Cooks. I'm Chef John, Rebecca's behind the camera. Today we're going to make some cookies. And I just love these Toll House, my camera lady said, turn around. I just love these Toll House butterscotch nibs. So on the back, it has a recipe for oatmeal scotchies. And we read the recipe and I'm like, I like all that. So we're going to make this. It's always good to look on the boxes you buy, some ingredients, even flour, just about anything you buy. And a lot of times they'll have a recipe on back, and they're pretty well proven from a test kitchen that they're pretty dang good. So we're going to give this a try to give it Old Country Cooks test approval. We're going to read the ingredients that you're going to need. You're going to need some all-purpose flour. We have it right here. Now I'm going to leave the recipe in the show more. Plus, you can always pick these bags up and you get it right off the bag if you don't trust me. You better trust me. The next is baking soda, which is right here. We have some salt right over here beside me.
It's pink because I forgot to order kosher salt, so that's...
Our last couple of videos, they've been pink sea salt or Himalayan salt, one or the other. I don't know which one it is. Could be both.
It's Hawaiian volcanic pink salt.
There you go, Hawaiian. Who knew? Rebecca did. Okay, we also got ground cinnamon. We have brown sugar way up here in the front. Got 2 large eggs back here in the back. We have some vanilla extract, which I'm going to extract it with this. We're going to need some butter. It's already over here softening into the mixing bowl. You need 3/4 cups of granulated sugar right here. We already did the eggs, we did the vanilla. You need Old-Fashioned Quaker oats right here. And these morsels you're going to need, they're right here. And we're adding some chopped walnuts. I think that's it. So let's go make these things. So before we get started, we're going to take the flour. We're going to put the salt in there. We're going to put the baking, I said baking powder, it's baking soda. And then we're going to put the cinnamon together. We're going to go ahead and just mix this up a little bit. Because this will, once we do the second step, I think this will be the second step. So I just mixed it up a little bit. We're just going to sit that right there, handy dandy. We're going to take the 2 sugars and the butter, and we're going to whip them, beat them up, right? Am I correct? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and put the sugar down in here. And then we're going, I'll use this for scraping it out. So that's the white sugar, the brown sugar. Then we're going to go ahead and blend this up. And just let that go, and we'll have to scrape it down. I'm going to slow this down a little bit. It's got fluffy, the sugars, you can't see the sugar anymore. So we're going to go ahead and add the 2 eggs. And I put it on low just so I don't knock anything around, because I'm a messy baker. Can I get amen to that?
You know it, amen.
And then we're going to go ahead and put the vanilla in there. This is Baker's vanilla. It's really thick. It doesn't cook out, so my wife tells me. All right, we're going to go and speed this up a little bit, get it incorporated really well. And I'm doing this on 6. My mixer goes all the way up to 10. It looks good down in there, so I don't think I need to scrape just yet. And I'm following these instructions on the back. So next we're going to mix the we're going to beat the flour mixture in gradually, and once that gets mixed in real good, we're going to stir in the oats and morsels, and we'll be done with this. Oh, and the nuts. So I'm going to go ahead and get some of this, get it going slowly, start adding flour. Almost going to scrape it down real good. And you can just do it with your paddle here. Looks pretty good on the bottom, so we're good to go. Get back on here. All right, now we're going to mix in the oats. Just lightly go with them. Go ahead and dump these in, and the nuts, and we're just going to do them for a couple seconds. All right, that's it for those. Now's the fun part. We get to. Well, that was fun too. We get to go ahead and put them on the sheet pan and get them in the oven. At this point, you want to make sure, or right when you started, you want to make sure you have your oven set on
375.
375. We're going to use a 1.5 tablespoons. I want to make a lot of cookies. They don't have to be that big. We got some parchment paper here. You want to give them enough room to spread out, so we're not going to put a lot. Put about 3 on each row. All right, there's one. So this is going to take a couple of about at least two batches. Here's our cookies. They're beautiful. Y'all seen that close up and that wonderful plating I did. Give this a try. They're soft with a little firmness on the bottom. Good brown color on the bottom. Wow.
Thank you.
Rebecca's tasting one. She's been helping me with this cook. What you think? That's pretty dang good, huh?
I'm not convinced.
She's going to have to try some more. Make sure they're good.
It's good.
So what we did, we got 40, with that 1.5 tablespoons, we got 46 cookies. Right on the nose. Then some reason I was missing half of one, somewhere it went.
Oh.
Anyway, It took a little bit longer than the way we like our cookies. We like, I don't think it would have got that color on the bottom if we did just, what was it, 8 minutes? So we did about 10 to 11 minutes total each one. So you decide, basically you want to see a little golden brown around the edges. Here's time for us to pull it off, unless you like really, really, really soft cookies. That's up to you. All right, hope you enjoyed this. First time here, please subscribe, share, like, comment, ring the bell, and most important,
Y'all come back.
Bye.
Mmm.
Okay, the dogs love these things.